Hello, my friends and colleagues. Today I would like to show some other interesting things. As always, these things are related to Thai massage therapy, so we go on demonstrating the Thai massage techniques on a table. I'm going to show two variants of a technique to stretch the muscles of the anterior surface. This technique is very interesting, because we stretch the muscles of the anterior surface, while the posterior muscles knead themselves by pressing against each other. So now you will see this with your own eyes. In fact, this is all very simple. So look, this is the technique when you press the heel against the buttock. In this case you stretch the anterior muscles of the lower leg and the foot, like this. If you have already massaged both legs, at the end you can do the stretching of muscles of both legs simultaneously. I will now show how to do this. Look, you bend the legs, cross the feet like this, and if you are a big and strong guy, then use the soft part of your forearm, press the feet to each other and like this, using all your body. Just lean sideward a bit in order to press the feet against the buttocks area. Then you keep pressing for 3 or 5 seconds and release. Now you change the feet, so the other foot is now on top, and you do the same stretching. In this case you stretch the anterior muscles of the thigh and the lower leg, as well as you knead the posterior muscles by pressing them together. This provides a kind of a drainage effect. If you are not so strong and big and you have a good massage table, then you can do the following. I hope this table will not break under me. So you do the same, you cross the feet. Everything is easy, you do the same, but position yourself on the table and use your hands, like these do it, actually. You press, then release, change the feet and again do the pressing. Here you use only the weight of your body, do not work with your hands or legs. What else can you do? You hold the feet and press round the lower leg from one side and from the other side. It turns out that a good table bears my weight, therefore even big and heavy massage therapists can work positioning themselves on a usual tip-up table and apply this cool technique. That is why this technique is a must. The most important thing here is that you need to take into account that if a person being massaged has poor flexibility or any problems with knees or any leg joints in general, you need to be very careful. You should always do the pressing or stretching till the moment you feel the elastic resistance in joints and ligaments and ask a person being massaged for feedback. I mean, you press down a bit and ask a person if he or she feels any pain. Please, do not continue pressing, if it is painful for a person. This is an important signal indicating that some tissue damage is occurring. My friends, this general reflex response is very clear. That is why when you feel the resistance, you can press only a bit more and then ask a person if he or she feels okay. If okay, then you can press a bit more and then again ask for feedback, then again press a bit more and so on. Do not let a person being massaged feel any pain. After a while, you will feel that the person's flexibility has improved. After each stretching, you hold it for example for 5 seconds and then release it very gently and slowly. And when the lymph and blood start entering the tissues, a person feels the warmth that is filling in his or her legs, in our case. This is a very nice and interesting feeling. That is why, please, apply this technique after you have massaged both legs. And again, thank you very much for your comments. I see that the topic on Thai massage therapy is of large interest, so we will go on. If you have any new ideas, please, write about them in your comments. We will try to cover them in our regular videos about tips and tricks. So please, write what else you want to watch.